Very good morning, dear students. In the coastal plains and highlands, we covered the location of coastal plains, divisions, importance, lifestyle, and two main highlands, that is Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep Highlands. So we'll recall once again what and all we studied in this chapter. Coastal plains. Where it is located? It is located in the southern part of India, and it is divided into two main coastal plains. One is western coastal plains and the other one is eastern coastal plains. And they stretch from, it begins from state of Gujarat to West Bengal, covering a coastal line of about 6,000 km. And these two coastal plains where it meets at Kanyakumari. So the western coastal plains are located between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea, and these plains stretches from Gujarat to Kerala. These plains covers the western part of the state of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. These are the four states which majorly covers. And the average width of the western coast is how many kilometers? 65 kilometers. Again, the coastal plains are divided into three parts: Gujarat coast, Konkan coast, and Malabar coast. So, students, we saw the western coastal plains and its divisions are of three kinds. One is Gujarat coast, Konkan coast, and Malabar coast. Next, coming to the eastern coastal plains, there it is located. It is located between Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal, and these plains stretches from where to where? West Bengal to Tamil Nadu, and the states like West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra, Tamil Nadu, and Puducherry Union Territories are covered by these eastern coastal plains. And the eastern coastal plains are wider than the western coastal plains, and it is also divided into two coastal plains. One is northern Sarkars and the Coromandel coast, which is located. The northern circles are located to the northern part of eastern coastal plains, and the Coromandel coast is located in the southern part of eastern coastal plains. Next, importance of coastal plains. How these coastal plains are helpful in all the matters, like it may be for the people, for the country, for the nature, and how it is been helpful. So, one of the physical features of India is coastal plains, and it has got many importance in that the coastal plains have number of ports and where we can carry out inland and foreign trade as well as, and due to the fertile of the soil we can grow variety of crops like rice, cotton, rubber, coconut, everything. Next, fishing is an important occupation as they are settled in the coastal plains, and it is also exported to other countries, and it is also one of the tourist attractions. And not only the market is going to be at this local market, even they export the art and craft works, and the things which they get near the coastal plains, which may be shells, fishes, and sea marine waters, bones, fishes bones, or those exported to other countries. Next, the India country is covered by coastal plain in the southern part of India, right? So, which are the states that covers and how the life is of the coastal plain states are? Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and some parts of West Bengal we know. So, Gujarat, so where it lies towards the western coast of India, and its capital is Gandhinagar. And which are the rivers flows? Narmada, Tapi, Sabarmati. And crops like jowar, bajra, pulses, groundnut, sugarcane, and cotton are grown in which state? Gujarat state. So, children, farming and trading are all the top occupation in the Gujarat state. And one of the popular folk dance is what? Garba and Dandiya are the popular folk dance of Gujarat, and also famous religious temples like Dwarka and Somnath. Coming to the Goa is the smallest state of India. It is situated on Konkan coast. Panaji is the capital of Goa, and it has beautiful beaches and which attracts the tourist persons. Next, fishing is also a main occupation, and as I said, rice, ragi, coconut, cashew nut, mangoes are grown over here. Next, Kerala, where it is located. It is located in the southernmost part of Malabar coast, and capital is Thiruvananthapuram. And spices, cocoa, coconut, rubber are the famous crops grown over here. Onam is the main festival of Kerala state. Boat race is one of the attraction of this festival. Next, about Puducherry. So people here speak the Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam. It is one of the union territory, and we can also see the French is also spoken over here. And Matri Mandir and Arabidya Ashram is popular in this union territory, that is Puducherry. Coming to the Odisha state, students, Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha, and famous temples like Puri Jagannath Temple, Konarsam Temple, Bhubaneswar are the famous pilgrimages of Odisha state. And Puri is famous for its Rath Yatra chariot festival. Next, Highlands. An highland is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. It is got located both sides of southern part of Indian mainland, and like Andaman and Nicobar Highland in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Highland in the Arabian Sea. Next, knowing about Andaman and Nicobar Islands, it is a union territory of India which has got its capital is Port Blair and consists of more than 500 islands, but 38 islands are inhabited to live for the people. Next, it is the northern highlands are known as the Andaman Highlands and the southern highlands are called Nicobar Islands. So it is separated by 10-degree channel. Here the people carry out fishing and farming and they speak Bangla. So dear students, so far we start the coastal plains and meaning of island and which are the states covered by coastal plains and their lifestyle, importance of coastal plains and meaning of island. In that island, Andaman Nicobar Island features. Now we will move on to the Lakshadweep Island. So Lakshadweep Islands, like Andaman Nicobar, these are also union territory. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep Island. It has got 43 islands, but how many is suitable for the living people? Only 10. And it is consists of coral highlands. It's nothing but hard substance that forms the bottom of the sea from the bones of other creatures. And coconut is the main crop grown over here. And they speak Tamil, Malayalam. People will speak. Even they carry out some art and craft work, handicrafts, and nowadays they have been started learning in the urbanization and technology as well. So, important key terms like coastal plains is an area of flat land located near a coast. Gulf, a large area of sea that is partially surrounded by land. Lighthouse, a tower or building that contains a strong light to warn the ships about the rocks that lies beneath the surface of the sea. So, in the Monday's class, we will discuss the exercise part of this chapter. Thank you. Be safe and be healthy. Thank you.